By the end of the video you will know absolutely. Here are 8 intense at-home chest exercises to help you get readied. 1. Push-ups. Start with the classic push-up. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the ground and push back up. Variations like decline, incline, and wide grip can target different areas of the chest. 2. Plyometric push-ups. Add explosiveness to your push-ups by pushing off the ground forcefully enough to lift your hands off briefly. This engages fast-twitch muscle fibers and boosts chest strength and power. 3. Dumbbell chest press. Lie on your back on a bench or the floor with a dumbbell in each hand. Press the weights up above your chest, then lower them back down with control. This exercise works the entire chest. 4. Dumbbell flies. Lie on your back on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing inward. Lower the weights out to the sides in a wide arc until you feel a stretch in your chest. Then bring them back together over your chest. 5. Floor press. Lie on your back on the floor with a dumbbell in each hand. Bend your elbows and lower the weights until your upper arms touch the floor, then press them back up. This variation eliminates the leg drive and focuses on the chest. 6. Dips. Use parallel bars or sturdy furniture to perform dips. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground, then press back up. Dips target the lower chest and triceps. 7. Chest squeeze press. Lie on your back with a stability board or foam roller between your knees. Hold a dumbbell in each hand above your chest, palms facing each other. Lower the weights while squeezing the ball or roller between your knees, then press back up. 8. Resistance band chest press. Anchor a resistance band behind you at chest height. Hold the handles in each hand. Step forward to create tension in the band and press the handles forward until your arms are straight. This exercise provides constant tension throughout the movement. Incorporate these intense chest exercises into your at-home workout routine to build strength, size, and definition in your chest muscles. Adjust the weight or resistance level as needed to ensure proper form and challenge yourself effectively.